Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I have a quick 30-second solution video for you, and it's to make this carrier piece for the silverware. I've decorated it for Thanksgiving, which is on Monday here in Canada, and I will link to a blog post where I created this actually as a wrap for a mini pizza box, but I thought it was so pretty I could use it also as a decoration for silverware to go on the Thanksgiving table. So how to make that? Very simple. 2 from 1 sheet letter size card, which is what we use here in Canada, and this is 8.5 by 11. I'm going to start simply by marking 4 inches from the left edge at the top, and then at the bottom I'm going to come in 4 inches from the right edge, and then all I need to do is to grab a ruler and pencil and join up those 2 marks like that. So that's the basic pattern. I'm going to bring in my brand new Stampin' Up! Trimmer, and I'm going to line up the pencil line on the groove. This is a much narrower groove on this trimmer than the old one. The blade cuts through like butter. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you end up with 2 pieces exactly the same. So you can get 2 of these out of 1 sheet of paper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to score this short edge here. Let's take the blade out of the way. Score that at 1/4 inch from that side. And then I'm going to score at 4 1/8 inches like that, and then score at 1/4 inch along the bottom. So we have 1/4 inch along this small edge, 1/4 inch along there, and this is at 4 1/8 from there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of extra decoration. I'm going to line this diagonal cut piece up, and I'm just going to score along there as well, and that gives me a little bit of a decoration there. So to assemble, all you do is sharpen those 2 creases, just those 2 vertical creases. Then grab some liquid glue, or you could use tear and tape along that little edge just inside that scored mark, and then simply close it over like that. So now it's sealed on the side, it's sealed at the bottom, and you end up with a little pouch that looks like that. Then all I did was fold a napkin, put that inside, add my silverware and decorate. And it really is that simple. So you can get 2 from a piece of card, you can decorate it for Thanksgiving as I've done. I can see that on a table for birthdays, for just a barbecue, for any particular reason, Christmas, any kind of occasion that you have coming up. This is a great way to just decorate your table, make it look pretty. So I hope that's been useful. I will put the measurements and a diagram on my blog, and there'll be a link in the information bar below, and there'll also be a link on that blog to the post where I created this pretty little Thanksgiving decoration as well. So thank you very much for watching me. If you'd like further information or daily tips and tricks and paper crafting inspiration, do visit my blog and my website at www.papercraftwithme.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye.